Looking for a hands-on job in Australia? A growing company in Sydney is now hiring junk removalists, and this could be your chance. No office, no boring routine, just active work, good pay, and real opportunities to grow. As a junk removalist, your job will include collecting unwanted items, loading trucks, and helping keep homes and businesses clean and clutter-free. From furniture to general waste, every day is different. What you need: a valid driver's license, preferred, basic physical fitness, positive attitude and teamwork skills. What you get: competitive hourly pay, flexible working hours, friendly team environment, opportunity to grow within the company. Experience is a plus, but not always required. If you're hardworking and reliable, you can start right away. Location: Sydney, Australia. Don't miss this opportunity. Apply now and start your journey today.